People are taking this shit way too far. People are really jumping on the bandwagon and they're trying to take advantage of the situation right now. When I was 15 years old, I used to wear my trousers down by my kneecaps. My school trousers. I used to wear tracksuit bottoms and my school trousers on top. I would have my tracksuit bottoms up to my waist, but my school trousers were down by my kneecaps. And I'm pretty sure my school banned it. But before that, I started wearing my trousers up. One day I just grew out of it and I'm like, why the fuck am I wearing my trousers down by my fucking kneecaps on my thighs? That was when I was 15 years old. Now in America, Florida, they had a saggy trousers ban. This ban lasted for 13 years up until probably today, let's say. Do you know why they lifted this ban? Because apparently the ban disproportionately affects black people. Sorry, the government wants you to wear your fucking trousers around your waist like a normal fucking person. These people, right, are taking advantage of what's going on and they're jumping on the bandwagon and they're trying to milk it. We got a bit of leverage now. Let's lift that ban. Yeah? Because it affects us more than the white people. Well, maybe it's because black people generally wear their fucking trousers by their ankles because they're stupid. Maybe that's the reason why it affects them more than other demographics of people. You didn't think that, no? You start seeing this movement, whatever, innit? Yeah. Oh yeah, let's lift this ban. Yeah? Because we got a bit of leverage now. Yeah, we got a bit of momentum. Let's try and milk it. Let's lift this ban of wearing our trousers by our fucking ankles like jackasses. And you know what? Whilst out here as well, any black people that kill anyone, they don't have to serve any time. Yeah? It's okay. Yeah, let's do that as well. It's just stupid. I can't believe the state of Florida is actually going to go ahead, or have gone ahead, whatever. They're actually even considering lifting this stupid ban, right? Just because it targets black people more than others. Well, maybe, here's a thought. Why don't black people just wear their trousers by their fucking waist? Yeah, like normal people. Yeah? Then their ban wouldn't affect them. As I said on many occasions, a lot of black people like to claim, the laws are tougher on black people when they kill people or do this, whatever, innit? Do you know how to avoid a tougher law on black people? Just don't commit any crimes. Don't kill people. Now, if someone does like a minor traffic violation, they're in a 60 mile an hour zone and they're doing 70, 80. Yeah, everyone should get the same treatment or whatever, innit? But you shouldn't even be worried about black people getting harsher sentences for killing people if they're actually actively going out of their way. There's people out here leaving their house to go and murder people. If someone gets into a fist fight with someone and they accidentally kill them because it's unintentional, people have died from one punch. Yeah? Ask around. Go on YouTube. I saw a video, white guy, he punched someone and he died. One punch, You could have a fight with a man, one punch, and you could kill him because he might hit his head in the wrong place or something like that. Right? In a situation like that, yeah, you shouldn't be slapping no harsh sentences on anyone. Unfortunately, someone's lost their family member, but at the same time, that killing, that loss of life was not intentional. But if someone is going out of their way to stab someone, they've left their house, we're going to go upside and, throw the book at them. Why not? You've gone out of your way. Man, then what? Do these people think that people are sleepwalking or they have something wrong with them why they just impulsively go? No. People are premeditating going out and stabbing people and killing people. So why not throw the book at them? You should want to lock up all the bad eggs in your community. So why would you want to have bad people in your community running around free? Why would you not want to lock them up? Why would you want them out free, making other good black people look bad? Apparently black people got a bad reputation. The majority of black people ain't on that energy. It's the minority which spoils it for the majority. Like, honestly, black people need to just take responsibility for their actions. Yeah, and don't say that it's them who is getting themselves into trouble. Like I said before, Tony Blair, James Cameron, Boris Johnson aren't on the fucking street corners pretending, dressing up to be black people, selling drugs to make black people look bad. It is black people who is standing on the street corners, wearing fucking their trousers by their ankles, selling drugs. They're making black people look bad, not white people. No one's in disguise. It's black people that's making black people look bad. So I just want to make this video quickly because I just can't, I cannot believe what I see on social media. And the fact that the government and the authorities are actually passing these laws and whatever, or even considering it, even just considering it is just stupid. Anyway, I'm out.